Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Breville. This machine came in with a leaky steam boiler. We descaled the machine. Put new O-rings on the steam boiler. Let's see how it did. Breville grinds, tamps, and then you have a variety of drinks you can make and even add on to this display.
But
Here it is all
this thing is still on. No, the other piece is wide open, the black line.
Oh, I did it to the wrong one.
It came out right at about 10 seconds. Nice tight shot. That certainly can be adjusted here and here if you need to.
Nice lead.
Check the steam here. Manual. Nice strong steam. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.